Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is Introduction to Tux Paint. What we have learned in our previous class about the Paint app, which is used for drawing. In the same way, we have a Tux Paint, which is used for drawing. Okay, it is have provides us a blank canvas, and it is having many tools, many more tools than Paint to draw. So let us just first learn the steps to start Tux Paint.
Steps to start Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on Tux Paint and then click on Tux Paint windowed. The Tux screen when it opens looks like this. The main screen is divided into the following sections: Toolbar, Drawing Canvas, Selector, Colors Palette. Toolbar. Toolbar contains the drawing tools. Drawing canvas. The largest part of the screen is the drawing canvas. Colors palette. A palette with the colors is shown at the bottom of the screen. Selector. Used to select the desired shape.
Okay, so we have learned in it the ways. Let's just come
Drawing
back.
tools. Drawing canvas. Canvas. Selector.
See,
Colors.
in it we are having a page like this, which is divided into the parts. Like we are having a toolbar. In the toolbar, we are having different tools like paint, stamp, lines, shapes. Selector, we are having brushes, different style of brushes. If we have a paint, then this is the area where we draw, and a color palette. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to everybody. Then we come to the next thing, that is our tools of Tux Paint. We would be studying about the tools. We'll be discussing about paint tool, which is used for a freehand drawing. Shape tools, from which we can draw triangle, rectangle, square, circle, oval, anything. Okay, then we have a eraser tool. So when you do a mistake in your school class copies, you just erase it by using that. Okay, so in it also we are having a eraser tool. In the same way, we are having lines tool to draw the straight lines, and the last is the quit tool from which we can exit our Tux Paint. So let's go through it.
Tools of Tux Paint. Paint, shapes, eraser, lines, save, quit. Paint tool. Different shapes can be drawn using paint tool. The paint brush can be used to draw freehand or previously defined shapes. Step 1. Select the paint tool. Step 2. Click on the brush pattern you like. Step 3. Select any color from the color palette. Step 4. Drag the mouse to draw a picture. Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw different shapes like circle, square, triangle, etc. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool. Step 2. Click on the shape pattern you like. Step 3. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 4. Click and drag to fix the size of the shape, release the mouse and drag to rotate the shape. Click again to draw the shape. Step 5. You can fill the color in the shape. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is used to erase the unnecessary part of the drawing from the drawing canvas. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool. Step 2. Select the eraser shape and size you want from the selector. Step 3. Drag the mouse to erase the picture. Lines tool. Lines tool helps us to draw straight lines. Step 1. Select the Lines tool. Step 2. Different brush patterns will appear in the selector. Step 3. Click on the brush pattern you like from the selector. Step 4. Select any color from the colors palette. Step 5. Press the left mouse button and drag to make a line. Quit tool. After finishing the drawing, you can save the file and quit the program. Step 1. Click on the quit tool. You will get a message as shown. Step 2. Click on tick and save it. Step 3. If you have already saved, it will ask you to replace the old file. Click on yes to replace the old one.
Okay, so this is it for the chapter, and your chapter has almost finished. So students, please repeat it, and if you have any query, you can ask it.